Hello everyone, welcome to the cooking series by Roaming Cuisine. Today we are going to make delicious and healthy creamy egg butter masala. Let's see what all ingredients we need to make this egg butter masala. First of all, we will fry boiled eggs, and for that, take a pan with 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 4 boiled egg halves into it. Prick them slightly as shown. Add a pinch of salt. Fry them till they turn slightly brown from both the sides. This butter masala is usually made with paneer or chicken. Making it with eggs is uncommon but surely a great one for those who love eggs and want to avoid paneer or chicken. The gravy tastes amazingly delicious with the flavors of butter roasted eggs. Okay, so this is done. Now we will keep it aside. Now let's make a masala paste, and for that take 2 roughly cubed onions, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, a handful of coriander leaves and 5 to 6 cashews. Take all the ingredients into a mixing jar. Make a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now let's start with the making of gravy, and for that, keep a kadai on gas. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter into it. Add a masala paste. Cook till the raw smell is gone and oil releases on the top. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Use salt carefully if you are using a salted butter. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Combine all ingredients well. Add a cup of boiled milk. Now we will cook this for some time until we get a thick gravy. Gravy looks perfect. Now let's add fried eggs and allow it to set together for 5 to 10 minutes on a very low flame. Meanwhile, keep on stirring so that gravy will not stick at the bottom. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and kasuri methi. Add fresh cream to get a soft and creamy texture. You can also use fresh milk cream. And here we are ready with our super creamy and tasty egg butter masala. Serve it with a butter roti or paratha. Hope you will give this a try and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!